Hello friends, I'm Deepika from Fluid Art India. Today we are going to review this product which is Fevicryl Acrylic Pouring Kit. The MRP of this product is 410. Right now Fevicryl is giving you this product of 275 because it's newly launched. Let's see what's inside the box. So we have a leaflet which shows you different pouring techniques. Then we have 3 medium which is 50 ml each. We have 3 colors which is coral red, black and chrome yellow, and a 15 ml silicone oil. Let's make something from it. So as per the instructions given in the leaflet, we have to mix the colors in the ratio of 2:1. So I'm going to use this medium and 1 or 2 drops of silicone oil to make the paint. So I'm using 3 colors and we are doing a flip cup technique. So I'm opening these colors. So now we'll be mixing the paints. I'm using the measuring scale to mix the paints. So in the box it is mentioned that you can make 2 canvas of 12 by 12. Today I'm going to make one of the same size. So we have mixed the color in the ratio of 2:1, and now we are mixing 3-4 drops of silicone oil in each color. I am not mixing the silicone oil in black since it's going to be my base color. So I've mixed the silicone with my colors, and let me put this aside and bring the canvas. So this is going to be my canvas and I am going to do a flip cup. So since black is my base, let me put my base color first. We're going to torch it to see if there are any air bubbles. torched it to create cells, and now we are going to tilt so that we can cover this negative space. Slowly. So this is what we have created. I'm going to torch a bit and see what happens. Now we'll let it dry for at least 24 hours and we'll show you the dried result. As I've mentioned earlier, this kit makes two canvas of 12 by 12. We'll be creating another canvas with a different technique. Stay tuned for the dried result. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned.